Why'd you run away from me the other night, man?
I've never seen you before. Sure you have the right house?
You doing some shopping in the Value Mall lately?
Why? You're crying to shop there? Can't afford to buy suits from Brooks Brothers.
No. You bought children's clothes.
Did I? Just been in a hurry.
Do you have children?
I don't.
You move up, put a bullet through his fucking head. Sister can forward any additional unit for search. 427 Carroll Street. Possible kidnapping victims on the premises.